Hi, second grade friends. Happy Tuesday. Today was April 14th, and this is your teacher direction video for today. So, once again, you should always start with that at home learning calendar, and there you will find all the links for today. There is no Flipgrid today. However, today is Hannah's birthday. Happy birthday, Hannah. So, if you didn't say happy birthday to Hannah, go to yesterday's Flipgrid, click on that link, and say happy birthday to Hannah. And Hannah, make sure you check that Flipgrid today and listen to all your birthday wishes. Our homework check today, I would like you to upload a page, your math page, page 20. I have the little reminder for you under there, and make sure to watch Mr. G's announcements if you click on that blue link that gets you there. So let's start with reading. Today you're going to read 20 minutes, mark it on your reading log. You'll also notice, parents, in the homework check, it's going to ask you, did your child read for 20 minutes today? So mark yes or no based off that. I think I slipped like 2 or 3 reading logs into your folders before we left for this giant break. If you are out of reading logs, go ahead and make your own reading log on a blank piece of paper. It's really easy to keep track of that, I would hope, without having that log with you. And then complete the just in case reading packet, pages 36 and 40. So 36 through 40, sorry. This is page 36. Just a reminder to look at the bottom of the page at the tiny little gray numbers. You're going to read about how describing how characters act. It's going to describe the learning target to you, and you're going to complete the chart about what the challenge is and how the little boy responds, how he acts in the story. And then you're going to read A Puppy for Oscar. And after you're done reading A Puppy for Oscar, you're going to talk about Oscar's challenge and how he responds to that challenge. Make sure to write incomplete sentences. And then you're also going to write a short response on what do Oscar's actions tell you about him. Use an event from the story to explain your answer. The little hint, what does Oscar do? Make a list of all the things he does in the story. Yeah. And at the bottom, it just says, don't forget to check your writing. So just like we edit for writing time, you can edit your writing and reading, because writing and reading go hand in hand, right? And then when we look back at the chart, you'll see for writing today that we'd like you to watch this adjective video. Anything in red inside the plans part are videos for you. So this is an adjective video that we would watch if we were at school. And then we're asking you to open back up your writing from yesterday on what does spring feel like, and add at least 3 adjectives to your writing. So this is going to help us become better writers and readers when we're able to think of more adjectives that we've either read before and add them to our own writing. So it'll make your writing way more creative and flow better. So that's exciting. And then also do your handwriting book, page 104 and 105. And then for math today, you are going to do pages 18 through 20. And that last page, page 20, you are going to snap a picture of and put in your homework check. So this is page 18. It's asking you to read the number and then write it in digit form. And then it's asking you to look at the expanded form and how it's written, and then write it in the 3-digit number that it would be. And then it's asking you on the next page to break apart the 3-digit numbers into expanded form, and then write the number using words. It is okay if you're not spelling things correctly. Parents, if you notice, like they're probably going to need the word hundred a lot. If you notice some mistakes that they're constantly repeating with the spelling and you want to teach them or write down the correct way to spell 100 or the correct way to write 20, that's fine. And then they could use that as they're working through. But it is okay. We're not grading your spelling on these. It's okay to not have perfect spelling when you're writing the written form. And then for number 17, don't forget to explain how problem 8 is the same and different from problem 12. So how is it same? How is it different? And then the very last page you have to do today is the comparing 3-digit numbers. So it asks you to compare, for the first one, 250 and 200. Uh, and then it has the sign going both ways. So you have to put both 250 and 200 in the correct spots, no matter which way the sign is facing, if it's greater than or less than. I think you can figure out that it's just the reverse if you're doing it. All right. Then for science today, we're going to continue working in our solar system unit. So today is activity number 2. We are learning about the sun. So once again, you go into Clever and you click the Google Classroom icon, the little chalkboard, and then it'll pull up our Google Classroom. You'll find the solar system unit, which will be at the top, and click day 2, the sun. It says click on the Clever link, find BrainPop Junior, search the sun in the search bar, and then watch that sun video and complete the Google form afterwards. I put a little note in there that you may need to keep that video open and look back as you're doing the form, because some of the questions are tricky, and that is a really good skill to have. So a lot of times I say watch the whole video through and then watch it again and pause as you go to answer the questions, because that really helps ingrain things in your brain, and you'll kind of remember different parts of the video that would help you answer those questions. So you're kind of watching the video twice to help you answer. And then you'll be done with the day, except on Tuesdays we do have art and music. So if you get a chance, click that link down at the bottom. That will take you to Miss Nanaman's page or Mr. Robertson's page and do something artsy and musical today. And that's it. I hope you all have a wonderful Tuesday. I hope the weather's nice today and you can get outside. And parents, thank you for all that you're doing. We really appreciate you. You guys are doing a great job. See you later.